Okay. Oh, I'm so tired, man. Yeah, man, how are we even getting around on the ground, man? We have flippers and fins for heck. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the toucan of the wise again. Mr. Toucan. Oh, yeah, man. We can't find the ocean. We've been looking for weeks and months and years and decades and centuries and millenniums. We can't even find the ocean, man. We're dying out here. Oh, man, you just gotta look up, man. We did that. It didn't work. Do it again, man. I know this time, man. I learned from last time, man. It's definitely up. Okay, fine. Oh my god, there's the ocean. What the heck? How is the ocean up there? I don't know, man. How are we gonna get up there, Mr. Toucan, man? Well, good thing I'm a toucan because I got wing, man. I can fly. So just hop on my back and we're gonna fly up. Okay. Let's come on, mister. Alright, let's get up there. Alright. Oh, crap, you guys are so heavy. That didn't work. Do it again. Yep. Alright, there we go. Yes! Yes! Woo!